It doesn't make... Oh, hey, I know. It wasn't even on the vacuum port. Why did I think... Alright, let's try this again. That was embarrassing. Okay, hang on. I think... No, it spins just fine. What could the problem be then? Hang on. Alright, the flywheel may have been too heavy. So... we'll try this. Do I need a drill for this? I can't turn this at all. Like when the vacuum is applied, that's just out of the question. So I'm gonna get my drill and I'll be back. Alright. It's gonna have to be pretty low speeds. But... yeah, this is why I kind of gave up on the engine. It's honestly just a piece of crap. Especially with this setup. Yep. Well, I'm going to be tearing this engine down now. It was my first Lego vacuum, piston engine. But, yeah, it just doesn't want to run. Maybe it's just because the stroke is too long. I don't know. See ya.